Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. April 8th. Dream big. Dream without fear. Randy Pausch. I don't dream of making a living as a writer. I dream of changing the world for the better, of changing the lives of 100 million people a year. Bigger dreams are more exciting and a better motivator. Don't have little dreams because there is little power behind them. Don't wish for a new car. Put up the pic of your dream car and work for it daily. To be okay takes above average effort. To be excellent only requires a little bit more. Choose excellent dreams and then go get them. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want to be excellent and be better today.